And welcome to the Daily Synopsis by Bar and Bench, where we gave you a short summary of the most important legal news of the day. A week after the Supreme Court ordered the reinstatement of Madhya Pradesh District Judge who had resigned in 2014 alleging sexual harassment by a High Court judge, has finally been reinstated as an officer on special duty in the Madhya Pradesh High Court today. The judge was serving as an additional district and sessions judge when she had made the allegations against the then sitting judge S.K. Gangale. An order to transfer her to Siddhi was subsequently issued. Her appeals to be posted to alternative districts, given the fact that her daughter was due to write the board examination that year, fell on deaf ears and prompted her to resign in 2014. The Supreme Court had held that the resignation tendered by the judge was not voluntary and was given under coercion. It thus directed her reinstatement into the service. The Supreme Court on Thursday set aside an order of the Punjab and Haryana High Court staying the Haryana State Employment of Local Candidates Act 2020, which effectively granted 75% reservation in private sector jobs to candidates domiciled in Haryana. The court noted that the Punjab and Haryana High Court had not given sufficient reasons for staying the Haryana State Employment of Local Candidates Act. The bench of Justices L. Nageshwar Rao and Justice P.S. Narasimha also ordered the Haryana government to not take any coercive action against the employers. In the hearing related to the Hijab Row in the state, the Karnataka High Court was told on Thursday that banning the hijab is tantamount to banning the Quran. Chief Justice Rituraj Awasthi, however, maintained that there was no ban on wearing the hijab in place. After hearing the various counsel, the court adjourned the hearing to Friday, when Advocate General Prabhuling Nawadgi is most likely to come up and make arguments on behalf of the state. The bench also said that it would dismiss one of the petitions filed by a social activist for being in violation of the High Court's public interest litigation rules. The Supreme Court Collegium has recommended the names of 10 advocates as judges to the Bombay High Court. The decision was taken at the meeting of the Collegium held on February 16, 2022. The advocates recommended are Kishore Chandrakant Sant, Valmiki Menezes, Kamal Rashmi Khata, Sharmila Uttam Rao Deshmukh, Arun Ramnath Pednekar, Sandeep Vishnupant Marne, Gauri Vinod Godse, Rajesh Shantaram Patil, Arif Saleh Doctor, and Soma Shekhar Sundaresan. The Bombay High Court is currently operating at a strength of 59 judges, out of which 52 are permanent and 7 are additional, as against its sanctioned strength of 94 judges. A Delhi court on Wednesday dealing with cases of MPs and MLAs summoned 5 Aam Aadmi Party leaders, namely Satyendra Jain, Raghav Chadha, Atishi, Durgesh Pathak and Saurav Bhardwaj after finding out a prima facie case of defamation against them. Additional Chief Metropolitan Magistrate Ravindra Kumar Pandey summoned all the accused persons on March 14th after holding that the AAP members had committed offences punishable under sections 499, 500, read with section 34 of the Indian Penal Code. The complaint was filed by Bharatiya Janata Party leader Chhail Bihari Goswami, who is also the chairman of the Standing Committee of the North Delhi Municipal Corporation. Goswami alleged that the AAP leaders had levelled defamatory remarks against him in connection with the funds of the North Delhi Municipal Corporation.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon.